Ever pondered about what's inside the Earth's core? It's a question that has intrigued humanity for centuries, a riddle wrapped in an enigma, buried beneath miles of solid rock. A place we've never seen, yet its existence is crucial for life as we know it. This mysterious core is not just a simple sphere of molten rock as some might imagine. It's a complex structure divided into two main parts, the outer core and the inner core. These two parts, lying deep beneath our feet, hold secrets about our planet that scientists have been striving to uncover. Like an onion, our planet is layered, and each layer tells a different part of Earth's geological tale. But it's the core, the very heart of our planet, that holds the most tantalizing mysteries. So, what exactly are these two parts, and what are they made of? Well, prepare to delve into the enigmatic labyrinth that is the Earth's core. Imagine a sea of molten metal, swirling and churning. Welcome to the Earth's outer core. This isn't your typical ocean. It's a layer of molten iron and nickel, over 2,000 kilometers thick. This massive liquid metal blanket encircles the inner core, with temperatures reaching up to 4,000 degrees Celsius. The pressure here is intense, over 1 million times the pressure at sea level. But what's really fascinating about the outer core is its role in creating Earth's magnetic field. As the molten iron flows and churns, it generates electric currents. These currents, in turn, create the magnetic field that shields us from harmful solar radiation and helps compasses point north. It's a dynamic and intense environment, a world of extreme heat and pressure, where the laws of physics shape our planet in ways we're just beginning to understand. But the outer core is merely the gateway to the heart of our planet. Beneath the roiling sea of the outer core lies the Earth's inner core. This is the mysterious heart of our planet. Unlike the outer core, the inner core is solid, a testament to the extreme pressures that exist in this deep, hidden place. Imagine a sphere of iron and nickel, two elements that are also found in the outer core. However, despite the searing temperatures, which are hotter than the surface of the sun, these metals are not in a molten state. They are kept solid by the immense pressures, which are over 3 million times greater than the pressure at sea level. This solid inner core spins at its own rate, distinct from the rotation of the Earth, creating a dynamo effect that generates our planet's magnetic field. This is the engine that drives the Earth, the heartbeat of our world. The inner core is like the heartbeat of our planet, pulsating with intense heat and pressure. Now that we've journeyed to the center of the Earth, what does all this mean, you might wonder? Well, let's put the pieces together. Our Earth's core is a fascinating entity, divided into two distinct parts. The outer core, a sea of molten iron and nickel, and the inner core, a solid iron-nickel alloy ball. The core isn't just sitting idly though, it's constantly in motion, and this movement is what generates Earth's magnetic field. This magnetic field is like an invisible shield, standing guard between us and the harmful solar radiation. Without it, life on Earth as we know it would cease to exist. It's the reason our compasses point north, and why our electronics don't get fried by solar flares. So, even though we can't see or feel it, the Earth's core is integral to our existence. It's a silent guardian, an unseen hero. Unseen and unfelt, the Earth's core plays a silent yet vital role in sustaining life as we know it.